Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to favorite Snapchat filters on Android device. Well, knowing how to favorite Snapchat filters allows you to quickly access and use your favorite AR effects whenever you want. And favoriting filters enables you to create snaps more efficiently by saving time searching for specific effects. And this feature is useful if you have certain filters that you use frequently or if you want to organize your favorite effects for easy access. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Snapchat app on your device. Okay, after that, here you can slide to the right side to find more filters. So the way to add it to the favorite list, you can click this icon. And they will appear here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to favorite Snapchat filters on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.